Okay, what's good? So we're going to Six Flags today with a couple of friends. Hello. So we're on our way now. Say hello, guys. I don't know. Did Renee get in there? Yeah. No. Oh my god. I'm terrified. I'm actually scared. Alrighty, y'all. It's cold and windy, and I'm at Six Flags now. Bye. Oh, dude. Oh, no. Oh, yes. I'm gonna die. Yeah. Here we go. I survived and I was screaming. The whole time. Yep. Love that. What ride are we going on?
Batman.
Batman. Do you like it?
It's so much fun.
Fun. So how are you enjoying your trip here?
I really like it.
Fun. Love that. It's your first time.
Yeah.
Woot woot. Jocelyn, how's it going? Fun. Love that. We're in line. Yep. Okay, we just went to Fatburger, and now we're going back to the park, and it's freezing. Whoa, look at that. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, it's snowing! Ah! Look at that! Alrighty, so we're done with Six Flags. It's freezing cold.
Oh my god, did you hear that? I think I'm gonna be sick.
I'm home now. My voice is gone. And I'm cold. So, anyways, good night, y'all.